Just got here and I am getting everything cleaned up, and we'll get this rust reversed on the bottom. Tub looks really good other than that, but probably just had some scratches and stuff, and then just through years of cleaning, cut through the glaze, and then once that was done it started to rust. So I'll reverse that rust. I'm going to put it just a little thicker on there because I'm thinking it may be holding a little bit of water. And anyway, get all the way down out to the back and finish masking everything off and get this knocked out for these nice people. And I'll show it off here in a little bit. Alright, and everything's done. And I reversed the rust and also put a slip resistant resin, very mild, on the bottom, of course to the outside wall. Everything has a gorgeous gloss to it, and this is the porcelain glaze all the way around and recalked around the walls for them. I'm going to clean up, and there's all my tarps where I had everything tarped off. I'm going to clean up and get out of here, and very nice people.